Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add budget to an existing project here in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, you would need to enable budget settings. To do that, go to the top, click on the settings icon. Now go ahead over to your portal configuration right here and just go ahead and go to projects and budget. Okay, make sure that budget settings is enabled. Okay, and once that's done, go back. Go to your project, open up an existing project, maybe just the sample right here. Go to access or access project, click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once you're in here, just click on view right here at the top to view the details. Okay. And once that's done, we have the budget type in here. So select the budget type based on project, milestone, or task. Okay. And what you'll do is just go ahead and enter the correct currency, the budgeted hours, cost of the budget, the cost budget, revenue budget, and some other options. Okay. And once that's edited, you can now go ahead and click on save. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in 100 right here under cost. All right. And just going to hit on save. It says here project updated. Okay. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.